I'm ready. Let's go. I want to be here today, but a lot of people, so they say, yo, Mutuana, we miss you. And I was like, oh my God, I need to go back because I miss you too. When I look at this question, I remember my grandma. My grandma, she told me, solve any top of the mathematics question and break the world record. Now let's go to this question here, okay? So let's say here, okay. So they give us the phase equation, and they give us the second. So let's say the graph of the set of inequality. These meaning inequality, okay? So now, before we start to solve a question, I want to explain to you how do these come from that. Just quickly, right? I'm not going to go too deeper. Just a basic a little bit. Okay, look. They say x1 and x2. So x1 means is x and x2 means y. So these are x, these are y, these are x, these are y, these are x, and these are y. Now, look. We know these are x intercept and these y intercept. Let's start to the face. So this is like 10 x1 plus 15 x2, which you know is y on, what is secret y 300. So we know when x-intercept, which is x1, when x-intercept, y equal to 0. So we're going to say 10x1 equal to 300. Okay? Okay? So now we say, right? Is it 10? Oh no, 10x1, 10x1. When x-intercept, 10x1, 15, and then equal to 300. When when x-intercept, y equal to 0. Okay, so then we say, we divide by 10, and then we divide by 10. This is this constant, so x1 equal to 30 means, but we know x1 is the x-axis. Okay, it's on x-axis right here. That's why this graph coming and cut at 30. Now, how do we know y-intercept? Okay, for y-intercept, okay, for y-intercept, which this one, because this is a y, x2, x equal to 0. When y-intercept x equal to 0 means it's going to be 0 plus 15x2, x2 we say is equal to y, and then equal to 300. Okay, this can be less or equal, so it's like equal. So this going to be 0, so means anything plus 0 is that. So 15x2 divided by 15 divided by 15, this and this cancel, so x2 equal to 20. That's why this graph can touch a 20 and you join them, okay? But that's not part of the equation. Look, 20y, which is x2, okay, oh, my pen is kind of freezing a little bit, so I appreciate your patience. See, so it went all the way from 20 and then it went to 30, okay? Oh, my pen is kind of freezing. Sometimes it does this, so just a second and then it's going to come back, okay? Okay, so same with the second one, x1 equal to 6. You see here, after 5 is 6 means it cut the x-axis equal to 6 right here, all the way. Now, x2 equal to 12. Look at 12 here. Right here, 12. Oh my God, sometimes it does that. Why my PowerPoint every time it can't start? My beautiful family, right? It does this sometimes. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now then we say, oh, just restart. Okay, no problem. I'm going to start again. We're back in a second. Okay, we're not going nowhere. We're right here. We're not going nowhere. We're here. We're finishing this question in a second. Okay, let's go back. My apology and thanks so much for your patience. It's out of my control. It's out of my control. Okay. Cancel there. Okay. See, okay, and then this one cancel. And then we go all the way to the bottom. Okay, we can, yes, right there. Come right there, please. Yes, seriously sorry. My apology, okay? So now you see we're back again. I'm sorry, it was out of my control. Sometimes technical things happen, Okay, That's why here they say x1, but we know x1 equal to x-axis means they say it's going to cut at 6. Look, this x-axis cut at 6. Look. Okay, x2 we say is y. x2 this is a y-axis. You can see here they say x2. 12, look, means it cut at y at 12. And this one we already knew, like I explained, 30x and y equal to 20. And then x1 and x2 means they must be greater than 0 means not this part here, but this region. Okay, that's not me. Now, so let's go to the actual question. That was not part of the equation, but I was trying to explain to you how did I get this graph. And this part here is called feasible region. The shaded region is called feasible region. So what we need for us, because they say it's about the maximum value of objective function this one here, which is P. Okay, look, if you FaceTime, man, even you always be here, make sure you leave a comments so I know that our beautiful family right here to watch more videos. So 6x1 plus 20 x2. Very, very, very important for you to leave a comment so I know there are people who want me to make a video so I can continue to make, because the comments means I know this is top of the feedback, like there's a people who watch. Means if I don't have a feedback means it's okay, maybe they're not interested in this type of video, so let me help other people who need the type of video or they need some sort of whatever solution for whatever problem they have academical. Okay, now so we're gonna have to take the feasible point. These are feasible point, this one, that. The first one, point 1, is gonna be 0, 12. This is gonna be 0 and 12. Point 2 is this one right here, which is gonna be 6 and 12, because this point 2, 6 and 12. Okay, 3. What's point 3? Point 3, this one here, which is going to be 0, 20. 0, 20. Point 4. Okay, so for point 4, it's crazy, man. I like this place. Okay, point 4 is here. So we know the value of point 4. Point 4, listen, point 4. X equal to 6, but I probably don't know why. But where does the point 4 cut? Point 4 cut at here, which is this question here. So we have a x1 equal to 6. So I'm going to plug here x1 equal to 6 is like say 10, 6, 15x2 equal to 300. So let's get the value of x2. So this is going to be 60 take over. So we're going to have a 15x equal to 300 minus 60. Oh, this is 60 when it goes over. So 15x2 equal to 240. So divided by 15 cancel, and this is gonna give us 16. Wow. So now we say this is gonna be 6 and 16, and then we say, okay, we don't want you now. Now we don't want you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, now let's get the feasible point using objective function. What is objective function? Objective function is this one right here, this one here. So we're gonna say P. We have to substitute all the coordinate. Which one is x1? 0 and 12. So this is gonna be 6 times 0 plus 20 times 12, and this is gonna give us 40. Now we go for 4.2. This is 0.1. 4.2, which is 6, 12, 6 and 12, which is this. We're gonna say equal to 6 times means 6 times 6 plus 20. See, times bracket x2 equal 12. And you plug in the calculator, this is gonna be 256. 256. Hold on. 276 here. Now for point 3, which is gonna be 0.20. 0.20, which is gonna be 6, 0 plus 20 times 20, and this is gonna give us 1. Now let's go for the last one. P, point of the feasible region. Now we have P of 6 and 16. 6 and 16, which is going to be 6 times 6 plus 20 times x2. What is x2? 16. And if you plug in a calculator, that's going to give us a plug in a calculator. Or we have actually already in a calculator, which is going to be 6. Let me plug. So you find there, you didn't even plug in. Okay, let me show 6, Let's say bracket, 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 plug it quick. Listen, it's very, very important. Like I say, you leave a comments, right? So I know my beautiful family are watching and like this when I share with your friends, okay? Let's plug in the calculator. My grandmother, she told me, baby, you have to solve mathematics plus 20 plus 20 bracket 1 and 6, okay? And then we say this is going to be 16, okay? And then we say, wow, close the bracket. I'm just waiting to close the bracket. My calculator sometimes it can be funny a little bit. Okay, now we say equal to, the plot equal, you get 3, 5, 6. Okay? Drink my water. 3, 5, 6. What? You shouldn't give errors. See, oh, we put 2 brackets. That's why. Oh, that's why you give error. Okay, let's come here. Come forward. Come forward and remove 1 bracket. Doom. Ding, 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 ding. You know the bomb of Russia and Ukraine. That's how. Boom. Oh, 2, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. So 3, 5, 6. Oh my God. Which is going to be this option right here. Okay, let's do this. So option 2. So for that being said, right? Leave a comments, because when you leave a comments means I feel like, oh, my beautiful family, I miss you too. You can't even say yo, Twana. You know what? I've been missing your video. I miss you too. I'll be like, oh my God, I miss you too. Easy, man. If you FaceTime, subscribe and share this with a lot of people. Peace in the mind. Easy, 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 man.